Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AliExpress order data for Walmart Marketplace step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AliExpress website. Log in to your AliExpress account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to My Orders from the account menu. Locate the order you wish to download data for. Click on the order to view its details. Look for the option to export or download the order information. Select the format in which you want to download the data, such as CSV or Excel. Confirm your choice to start the download process. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Next, open your downloaded file using spreadsheet software. Verify that all the necessary order details have been accurately captured. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the Walmart Marketplace seller account. Log into your Walmart seller account using your credentials. Access the order management section within the Walmart Marketplace dashboard. Find the option to upload order data. Select the file you downloaded from AliExpress. Follow the prompts to map the order data fields to match Walmart's system requirements. Once mapped, confirm the upload process to populate your Walmart inventory. Check the status of your upload for any errors or confirmations. Review the uploaded order details to ensure accuracy. Your AliExpress order data should now be successfully integrated into the Walmart Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.